welcome again to the second part of Termux series, and first we need to update all the repositories of our Termux and all the packages that are inbuilt in Termux by putting in some commands on our Termux screen. We need to upgrade and update it as well. So for that we use pkg upgrade and pkg upgrade, where pkg stands for a package. And we also need to install some libraries. We will install some packages also. You can put in pkg install git. Git stands for a cloner repository. It's used to clone github packages. And okay, now we need to install python as well, and we will use the same command as you can see on my screen. Can use apt install python or package install python, both are the same. Now we will head towards Google Chrome for going to GitHub, and we'll download the package required for this session. And this session will be focusing all on IP address. What's IP address? It's a unique numeric code used to recognize devices on TCP IP, and we will be using IP geolocation that's provided by Mallevel on GitHub. You can just Google it down, and you need to follow the same steps as I am doing in the video. Let it open first. Okay, as you can see, it has opened. Just copy its link. You can also clone or download it manually. You got the link there downside, but I have installed git in my Termux, so I will be git cloning it. Just type in git clone and the link there to clone the repository and package from the GitHub. I already cloned it, so it's showing me that it's not an empty directory. Just type in ls, it will show you IP geolocation folder after cloning it or after downloading it. Now type in cd IP geolocation. Make sure you match the folder name similar as you typed in. And now you need to change some modifications of the given file. You need to make it readable as well as writable. So we use chmod, that stands for change modification, plus x stands for readable and writable, and we will type in IP geolocation.py. Since I had changed its permission earlier, it has become green, but when you download it in first time, it won't be green. You need to change the permission. Now you need to install the requirements, as it shows some requirement.txt. You need to just type in pip install -r and requirements.txt. Make sure again you match the file name so that it can fill up all its requirements. As you can see, it has downloaded all the requirements, and my all requirements are filled. Now we are good to go. Now let me trace my IP address, my own IP address, so we can check that whether this tool works or not. Basically, this is all about just tracking an IP address in Termux. This is a very basic lesson of Termux, and this is scheduled to be for newbies only. We will be also heading towards some network statistic tools. You can see the code line, or the what I have typed on my screen is python IP geolocation .py -t stands for tracking, and the IP address of what you want to track. Yeah, you can see it has given me also a Google link to follow the address of the victim or anyone who's you want to track, whose IP address you want to track. Yeah, keeping it simple, this another tool or package is provided by Termux, and it's inbuilt in every terminal emulator. You can just type in netstat to start network statistics. Basically, what netstat does, it provides you all the outgoing and incoming traffic connections from your device to outbound servers or anyone. Whether you're chatting on Facebook, it gives you the IP address, or anything you're making a message, you're using a video call, it can give you the IP address of the host and the server which is receiving and sending data. So this will also be beneficial if you want to see where from your data is being received and where from your data is being sent. Thanks for watching the video, and that's all we had today.